Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black MB Tex interior. Natural crane gray ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Trailer hitch. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Cargo cover. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Garage door openers. Multimedia package with navigation and voice command. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our radio and media display. Cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 29,187 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.